Anyways, we'll end that conversation for here today. Here today, and we'll move on now to bringing you an opportunity for those who are looking at this digital age. How can one make money? Where is the money? Well, what are the opportunities to create wealth? What are the opportunities? We hear about things that are, they say it's easy, but at the end of the day, you hear the thing will not be as good as you expected. What I ordered versus what I got. So we on Techie Talk on a weekly basis, we try to give you information. I say news you can use to improve your life, news you can use to improve your income. We have one of our regular friends in the studio with us. He spoke to us last week, and he spoke to us last week via virtually. And last week our conversation was away from this, and we asked him about the e-naira, and it was a great conversation. And of course, we are looking forward to how that would turn out as we proceed. We have, I mentioned earlier, Oluwafemi Olaniran. He is a business or digital business consultant, and he joins us now for the next few minutes. We'll talk about the opportunity for wealth creation in the digital age. What's good, Femi? How are you doing? Good to have you in the studio. Yes, quite a while. The last time you were here was like some years ago,
yes.
Physically. Great to have you. So, man, let's hit the ground running. I mean, you are a digital business consultant. You've been in the space for a while, and we have been following up your conversation. Recently, we had a conversation. I was like, a lot of people have been reaching out to me like, how can we make money? In fact, I screen grabbed one of the messages so that people should know that this is not. Some people just send me DM on Facebook, send me DM on YouTube. I'd say YouTube. Send me DM on Instagram, asking me this specific question. I'm like, I said, if I know this, if you have know this, I will tell you, just kidding. But hey, I know a number of people who are milking the opportunities that are available in our world today. Now, this came in from a friend, someone on Facebook. He says, the name, okay, I didn't get, okay, mentioned. He just didn't mention the name. It's, good morning, sir. I'm a big fan of Nigeria Info. Nice to meet you here, sir. I need you to help on skills and that I can learn online or how I can make money online. I am an apprentice right now. I'm trying to move to the online space and take advantage of the number of opportunities that are out there. And I know that in so many industries right now, the advent of technology and the advent of online, if you like, has brought about multiple opportunities.
Yeah, definitely.
And a lot of people are not aware of this.
Definitely.
I mean, you have been involved in a number of such opportunities.
Yeah.
Can we talk about a few? And or if you have any specific one that we can talk about to see how people can milk the opportunities, the cash cow opportunities that are out there in the online space.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much. My name is Oluwafemi Olaniran.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, when people think about multiple streams of income,
Yeah.
or wealth creation as it were,
Yeah.
they usually think about running multiple jobs.
Mm-hmm.
But what the digital interventions have helped us to achieve is that you can actually you can get multiple streams of income without actually having multiple jobs. You need to start thinking of multiple streams of income in terms of a global view.
Okay.
Because the world is now connected.
That's right.
And we have businesses that you can do from from your location, but can pay you from different parts of the world. We have those kind of opportunities because of the digital interventions that we have currently. So basically, many of the opportunities that exist right now will range from e-commerce, range from cryptocurrency,
Yeah.
social media, social media.
Yeah.
Virtual assistants,
Yeah.
and many others. But I'll just talk briefly on some of the things. But
All
I'll
right.
start with the people who have skills right now.
Okay.
You can actually develop your skill into competence
Okay.
and package this skill into a digital product, and you can sell to people. A lot of people are looking for opportunities, just like that person actually said. There are a lot of people who have information
Yeah.
that they can share to that kind of person, and the person will be glad to actually pay a particular fee for that. Now, can anyone do this? Everybody can do this. It's just basically having the tool to guide you to actually put whatever you have as a skill or talent into expertise and put it in a digital product that people can pay you for. But aside that, we also need to understand that what everybody cannot do actually pays much. And I'm talking about the likes of cryptocurrency trading. I'm talking about e-commerce. When you are able to master these tools, you can actually you can decide what you want your own income to be.
All right, and let's talk about e-commerce because we're in a commercial city, Lagos, and of course, Lagos is known for commerce. You know, just walk around the streets, man. It takes just a second before you know it. Market on the sell. Before you know it, if 6 people they come somewhere every day, before you know it, person on the open. If you start the shops, if you start, and that's Lagos for you, and it's a statement of fact. So let's look at e-commerce. So a lot of people have not been able to understand how to translate that, or their industry, the industry that they're in, how it operates online, how they can move it from the commercialization they're doing down, physically, to an e-commerce space, and how they can tap into that. So let's talk about a few opportunities and how specifically people can take advantage of e-commerce.
All right, so for e-commerce, because that's my own area of specialty, I would just say that there are a lot of people who can actually, everybody can leverage on e-commerce in one way or the other. The notion that e-commerce is supposed to be one big platform, one giant platform, is what makes people scared of it, or people don't understand the basic detail about it. E-commerce just majorly talks about you being able to sell online. And you can sell online with basic tools. You can sell online with platforms. We have platforms. You can sell online with even Google My Business, for instance. You understand? So you can create. But basically, where I will start from is that everybody at this time should be able to create a website. It should be like you sending an email to people. That is what being able to have a website, because that's like your digital footprint. That's where people can get information about your product and services, and that's like the first thing. Now, how do you now then monetize whatever you have on your website? Is what we call e-commerce. And there are different ways. You can actually use paid adverts. You could use Google, for instance. You can use Facebook. Everybody should be able to run a Facebook ad. These things are basic. There are a lot of tutorials on it already. And also, you can also use platforms. We have Wakanda. We have the likes of Gigi, Jumia. A whole lot of it that you can just create a store. You can put your products there, and you can begin to access the global wealth. Like a lot of people are searching every day for products and services that you are providing, but because you're still confined in one physical location, that is limited to the number of people that passes by or something. But you need to think globally and know that the world is connected.
All right, great. I know that you have a number of events that you get to dish out this information. And you recently told me about something you're coming up, that create your wealth or own your...
Yes, recreate your life.
Recreate your life.
Yes.
And I was very interested in it, because you had to do with, you hear that, the sound of that, recreate your life, because we need a lot of recreation right now. COVID affected us.
Everybody.
Kimakparo, you hear me? COVID came as a storm and then just changed everything. If your life was going like this, first of all, first stop, pause, and you now think. So that word recreation got my attention, and the fact that you can recreate your life and your wealth and control. I said no, I'm getting interested. Tell me a bit about that.
All right. So the first thing we need to also talk about is psychology.
Okay.
Because a lot of content and stuffs are already online right now. That people start at the beginning and they get a bottleneck and they withdraw.
Okay.
So most of the time, people are not even they are not sure of where to start, because they start and they get discouraged. So we saw that the best way to actually go about this is to actually create a kind of a mentorship for people, where people can actually go through these skill sets, having the right information that we have used, that has worked for us, having something to start working on immediately that you can begin to use to test your skills. And that's basically the recreate your life idea comes to be, so that we take you through a part of learning the right skill set, knowing the right videos to watch, because there are a lot of information out there. That's one of the disadvantage of the information age. You have so many information and you don't know how to harmonize this information to bring value to you. So that is what we're trying to do with Recreate Your Life vision. I'm a partners of investors and some business owners. Many of them are top business owners in Nigeria here. And some of them are startup founders, and they're basically saying, what if we can have a community of people where we can actually mentor them? The youths, a lot of people they're probably just doing stuff that they don't understand. So if there's a way we can actually bring them together and actually have a way to mentor people, then that would be a very good idea.
Man, that sounds great. And for those who have been reaching out and saying, Collins, Techie Talk, you can count on Techie Talk to bring you the smartest minds in this space. And I must say that Oluwafemi Olaniran, or Femi Laniran, is one of the greatest minds, smartest minds around the space. And he's been doing a lot. The last time we used to have tete-a-tete. The last time I had a tete-a-tete, he was telling me about, man, I can tell you, I don't want to mention the amount, how much you made. I said, boy, have fun. Show me the way now. Why are you doing this to me? From just the knowledge of e-commerce and how you can navigate your way. So I take this very seriously. I know that I don't know if I should ask you about this, but do you have an event coming up very soon, or maybe an opportunity where people can reach out to you, to a place where some of us can gather and get this knowledge and also event? Would you want to share a bit about that? Because a lot of people listening right now, perhaps the next question is, man, I need this guy. I need to talk to him. I need to find out how I can leverage on his knowledge.
Okay, awesome. So basically, we wanted this to be virtually,
Okay.
so that everybody, wherever the location you are, you can actually tap into the connection.
Okay.
So basically, you can just reach out to me on Instagram, Oluwafemi Olaniran at FemFem.
Okay.
Then send me a DM as digital.
Okay.
Then we'll take it up from there. But across platform, Oluwafemi Olaniran at FemFem, and we'll be able to connect you, because purely digital is going to be through virtual trainings, and also, so if we're going to have physical events, it will be people who have reached out to me that will get access to those events.
So I would take that again. Oluwafemi
Olaniran
at FemFem.
FEM.
All right. So
IRM
FEM. So at FemFem. So Lagos, you've heard that. If you have a question, maybe you are, trying to go into e-commerce and you're thinking of how do I run this? How do I don't have too much knowledge. You can call us, and he's right here. He can answer directly your question. But just go straight to the point because I have limited time. This is an opportunity for those listening live right now. Hello, good morning.
Adebowale Oludotun Nigeria Limited is in need for nationwide distributors for Canny Paper. Canny Paper is the newly upgraded high-quality household tissue paper made from imported raw wood pulp. Canny tissue paper is purely natural, created with high-quality products, delicate and impeccable in every detail, only worthy of your extraordinary taste. It can be used indoors, in the kitchen, outdoors, in the cars, and restaurants and bars. It can also be used as a sanitary towel for ladies in the case of an emergency, and it is totally safe to use for babies. Today, Canny Paper Co. Limited boasts of modern factories, world-class production equipment, industry-leading production technology, and high-quality raw materials. You can locate us at kilometer 14, Lagos-Abeokuta Expressway, opposite Obasanja Farm. To be a distributor, please call Korede on 0703-065-4058 or 0805-828-5090 for more information. Adebowale Oludotun Nigeria Limited is in need for nationwide distributors for Canny Paper. Canny Paper is the newly upgraded high-quality household tissue paper made from imported raw wood pulp. Canny tissue paper is purely natural, created with high-quality products, delicate and impeccable in every detail, only worthy of your extraordinary taste. It can be used indoors, in the kitchen, outdoors, in the cars, and restaurants and bars. It can also be used as a sanitary towel for ladies in the case of an emergency, and it is totally safe to use for babies. Today, Canny Paper Co. Limited boasts of modern factories, world-class production equipment, industry-leading production technology, and high-quality raw materials. You can locate us at kilometer 14, Lagos-Abeokuta Expressway, opposite Obasanja Farm. To be a distributor, please call Korede on 0703-065-4058 or 0805-828-5090 for more information.
99.3 Nigeria Info, your number one station for talk. Let's talk.
Welcome back. Techie Talk is wrapping up shortly, but we have a call. Hello, good morning. Oh la la. Okay, we'll get into that. So you give out that it's a FemFem. That's FemFem on all social media platform. For those who want to get more information about this, let me check out on WhatsApp the messages we've got. All right, so I want to say thank you so much. I'm watching you live on Facebook, and I'm enjoying your guests, and I'll say thanks for that. Quickly, we'll wrap this up. Concerning e-commerce, and those who want to go into that, we just wanted to give them like a word of what do you call it? What they should hold on to as they try to navigate their way on. Using the digital age to increase their wealth or create wealth for themselves. Key things that they should just hold on to as they listen as we leave the studio right now.
All right, so basically, I just want everyone to know that the world is connected, the world is global, it's now a global village. So anything that you're currently doing, whether it's a service or a product, there is a way that you can tap into the digital space to make sure that you reach more people and be able to actually sell more or to do more of your service, of your product. And that's basically what you should be looking out for. The whole idea of multiple streams of income and having different jobs is going to burn you out. I've been there, you know, but the best way that you can actually navigate this right now is to think of the world as a global village and look for ways in which you can actually earn from either multiple locations or be engaged in business opportunity that does not confine you to your current limitations of environment.
All right, good. I'm going to give you a very key something. You can take advantage of this. You could actually get more information and more opportunities. Go to anglexdigital.com. Anglexdigital.com. And great job you're doing, Femi. And I must say,
you so much. I
more
appreciate
power
it.
to your elbow. And thanks for speaking with us today on Techie Talk.
It was nice having you.
Absolutely, guys. Don't forget, it's Femi.
Fem.
Yeah, Fem. All right. No, not Femi. Fem.
Fem.
All right. On all social media platforms. See the calls coming in. Don't you know when to call? I mean, let me squeeze one. Just this one. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon. What's up, Lagos?
Cheers to live. Good morning. You're the last and the only caller to. So let's hear you.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. Do you have a question or comment quickly?
Yeah, I want to play 1 minute.
Oh, one a minute. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Go. Minute or one. All right. Let's see if we can do that now. Oh man, he's gone. Unfortunately, so. But we have to run away. Thank you so much again.
Thank you.
Well, that's it. The news coming up right now. I've worked with Ruth Kadri. Ollie also not forgetting. Not forgetting that's Ollie. That's Olaiwola, by the way. And shout out to Andrea for leaving me alone today. Not to worry. She'll be back before you know it. To those who missed her, don't worry. She'll be back before you know it. Dikpo Mowari, thanks for the support. God bless you. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And I'm out of here. The news coming up. Don't forget to be Nigerian. There's power in being Nigerian. Remember that. You're special.
99.3 Nigeria Info. We are more than just radio. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Nigeria Info FM. Check us out on Facebook at Nigeria Info 99.3. Follow us on Twitter at Nigeria Info FM and on Instagram at Nigeria Info FM Lagos for live updates as it happens. 99.3 Nigeria Info. Let's talk.